Car accidents and your insurance company. If you have had a car accident and you need to get in touch with your car insurance company, you may have a few questions about the procedures involved. Take a look below for links to articles on injuries in the workplace for more information. Totaled cars and auto loans. Will my insurance company pay what I owe? If your car was totaled in an accident, will your insurance company pay off that you owe on your auto loan? In some cases, your insurance company may pay off your auto loan, but it depends on how much money you will receive for your totaled vehicle, and how much your car was worth. Another factor to take into consideration is how much money you need to pay back on your loan. For more information, please read our article about owing money on a totaled car. Click on the article's title to read more. Filing a vehicle damage claim under your collision coverage and your rates. Are you concerned that your insurance rates will rise if you file a vehicle damage claim under your collision coverage? Automobile insurance can be painfully high, and in some circumstances, some people are concerned about making a claim after their vehicle has sustained damage. The concern usually revolves around their insurance rates increasing, and it is likely that this may occur, but the good news is the increases do not tend to be based on you having filed a claim. Click on the article's title to read more. Insurance coverage and accidents and damage to a rental car. When renting a car, it's likely that you will be driving a vehicle that isn't very familiar to you. This may mean that you'll need to concentrate even more than usual, as the layout of the car may be different to a car that you're used to. If you're not familiar with the car you're driving, you may be more susceptible to having a car accident. Being involved in an accident when you're driving a rental car should be treated exactly the same as an accident that occurs when driving your own car. However, there could be a few complications when dealing with the insurance side of things. Click on the article's title to read more. How to file third-party claims after a car accident. If you were involved in a car accident and your vehicle was damaged, it would pay to have good car insurance. If you have good car insurance, you may want to file a third-party claim if another driver was at fault. What does a third-party property damage claim involve? A third-party claim is usually dealt with by the at-fault driver's insurance company, and it is likely they will do this straight after the accident. Please note that a third-party vehicle damage claim will be handled separately from a personal injury claim, even if you were injured in the accident. Your personal injury claim is likely to be handled by another insurance adjuster, as they will specialize in a specific type of claim. Click on the article's title to read more. Insurance disputes after a car has been totaled. You may find yourself agreeing that your car should be totaled after an accident, but you may disagree about how much money you should receive for the loss. A disagreement could arise, and it could be over the car's actual cash value. You may agree that the car needs to be totaled, but you think it was worth more than you are being offered. Click on the article's title to read more. How much will a car insurance provider pay after an accident? The driver who was found to be at fault for a car accident will need to pay for the cost of repairing your vehicle, the cost to replace or repair any personal property that was damaged, the cost to hire a rental car, the cost of storage and towing, and the amount that the value of your car had diminished by after the accident. Typically, the driver's insurance company will pay for all of these costs. However, the claims process may not be as easy as it seems. Click on the article's title to read more. Uninsured motorist insurance. What is it? If you were involved in an accident that was caused by an uninsured motorist, you may not know how your insurance company will deal with it. The good news is that if you have the right insurance, you may be more protected than you think. If you have uninsured motorist cover on your own policy, your vehicle could be covered for damages, but you will need to check your insurance documents so you know where you stand. Your insurance should say that it covers property damage, and it's this that means you are covered if you are hit by an uninsured motorist. If you do not have property damage included in your cover in the collision coverage section of your insurance documents, you will have to pay for the coverage yourself. Click on the article's title to read more. Whose insurance pays out after a hit and run? Your insurance company may end up paying out after a hit and run. Let's imagine you've left your car on the side of the road and it's hit by another vehicle, and no one has claimed responsibility for the accident. Your insurance coverage may have to pay for the damage your vehicle sustained and any injuries you have suffered. While it is completely normal for insurance coverage to pay out if you accidentally injure another party, the coverage could end up paying if another driver hits your car and leaves the scene of the accident. Click on the article's title to read more. If you have sustained an injury due to being involved in a car accident that was another driver's fault, please speak to a personal injury lawyer because you may have a personal injury claim.